Let's get ready for Pohili Raja in this Kopal Putta silk sari. If you have ever been to Odisha during mid-June, you have probably seen the excitement in the air. Swings in trees, girls dressed in vibrant attire, sweet smell of podu pitha drifting from kitchens, it's Raja Parva. The word Raja comes from the Sanskrit term Rajaswara, which means menstruation. During this time, Mother Earth is believed to undergo her annual menstrual cycle. Raja is not just another festival, it's a beautiful celebration of womanhood, fertility, and the earth's natural rhythms. The first day is called Pohili Raja, second day is Mithun Sankranti, third day is Bhudaha or Basi Raja. The final fourth day is Basumati Snana. One of the best parts about Raja is dressing up. Women wear new clothes and ornaments and they engage in various activities like playing swings, singing folk songs and preparing for 3-day festivities. Raja Parva is a kind of festival that makes you slow down, dress up and appreciate the simple joys of being a woman, of being connected to the earth and of belonging to a culture that celebrates both.